In this video, we listed the 5 best graphics tablets on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Veikk VK640 Drawing Tablet. The Veikk VK640 Drawing Tablet is a compact and portable graphic tablet designed for drawing, sketching, and playing. With a 6x4-inch working area, 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, and plus or minus 60-degree tilt support, it provides natural and precise drawing experience. The tablet includes 6 customizable shortcut keys for improved efficiency, making it convenient for various tasks. Compatible with Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Chrome OS, and Android devices, the VK640 is suitable for use with popular design and art programs. It comes with a 1-year warranty, lifetime technical support, and a comprehensive accessory package, making it an ideal tool for online teaching, design work, and digital art creation. Number 2. Gaomon S620 Digital Tablet. The Gaomon S620 graphic drawing tablet is a high-resolution device with a 4-inch screen, featuring 8,192 levels of pen pressure sensitivity for precise and natural drawing. The tablet comes with a battery-free stylus and 4 customizable express keys for improved workflow. With an active area of 6.5 by 4 inches, it is suitable for various digital tasks like painting, designing, and gaming. It is compatible with Android, Windows, and Mac operating systems, supporting popular drawing software. The tablet's convenient design includes anti-slip rubber and a micro USB port for easy connectivity. Additionally, the package includes various accessories such as extra pen nibs and a quick start guide. Gaomon Technology Corporation, the manufacturer, is renowned for its innovation in animation and digitizer products. Number 3. Huion Inspiroy 2 Tablets. The Inspiroy 2M graphic tablet offers a range of features designed to enhance the user's digital drawing experience. With 8192 pressure levels and a resolution ratio of 5080 LPI, this tablet provides a high level of precision for artists. It comes in 2 color choices, pine green and black, and is compatible with a wide range of operating systems including Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Chrome OS, Android, and Harmony OS. The tablet includes innovative features such as group keys for enhanced functionality, customizable press keys, shortcuts, and a scroller for easier navigation. Additionally, it is designed to be compatible with both PCs and various mobile devices, making it convenient for artists on the go. The tablet is also suitable for left-handed artists with its adjustable settings. Its compact and portable design allows for easy transportation in a backpack. The package includes the tablet, pen holder, pen nibs, cables, and a quick start guide. Buyers selecting the China shipment option should be prepared for customs procedures and potential taxes based on destination country policies. Number 4. Gaomon PD1561 Graphics Tablet. The Gaomon PD1561 is a high-quality pen tablet monitor designed to enhance your digital painting experience. With a screen resolution of 1920 by 1080 and a diagonal size of 15.6 inches, it offers a vivid and detailed display for your artwork. The tablet features 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and a resolution ratio of 5080 LPI, allowing for precise and natural line variations. The 178 degrees viewing angle and anti-glare technology provide a comfortable and eye-protective painting environment. Additionally, the adjustable monitor stand and 10 shortcut keys cater to diverse needs, making it convenient to customize settings and functions. With strong compatibility with both macOS and Windows operating systems, the PD1561 supports various drawing and designing software, enabling you to unleash your creativity across different platforms. The package includes essential accessories such as a digital pen, adjustable stand, glove, and pen holder, offering a comprehensive solution for digital artists and designers seeking a professional and versatile tool for their creative endeavors. Number 5. Ugee UE12 Plus Digital Tablet. The Ugee 11.9 Drawing Monitor UE12 Plus is a high-quality pen tablet monitor with a 12-inch screen resolution of 1920 by 1080, 8192 pressure levels, and a resolution ratio of 5080 LPI. It features an 11.9-inch FHD full-laminated, anti-glare screen that ensures a zero-parallax drawing experience, enhancing color vibrancy and precise cursor positioning. With a scroll wheel and 8 shortcut keys for efficient drawing, users can switch between tools and functions quickly for enhanced productivity. The monitor boasts vivid painting visuals with a 147% sRGB color gamut, 1000:1 high contrast ratio, and the ability to display 16.7 million colors, meeting the color diversity and precision needs of various creative industries. It offers wide compatibility with Mac, Windows, and Linux systems, supporting popular graphic design software such as Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and more.